Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Juan Pollo potato salad easy guide. Start by boiling potatoes until fork tender, then cool and cube them. Mix cooked shredded chicken with diced celery and onion for crunch. Fold in mayo, a splash of vinegar, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill for at least 1 hour to let flavors marry. When combining ingredients, be gentle and patient to preserve potato texture and keep the salad visually appealing. Add dressing in small amounts and stir until you reach a creamy but not soggy consistency. If the salad tightens up, stir in a tablespoon or 2 of reserved potato cooking liquid to loosen the mix. Chill briefly after mixing to let flavors blend and improve the final mouthfeel for serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof meal prep containers for easy storing and zero spills when transporting potato salad to picnics or potlucks. They stack neatly, keep dressings contained, and make portioning simple. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you cook ahead, they save cleanup time. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple add-ins to make the salad your own without complicating prep. Toss in chopped pickles or a spoon of relish for bright acidity and crunch. Stir in chopped hard boiled eggs for extra richness and protein that complement the chicken. Finish with a sprinkle of smoked paprika or fresh herbs like cilantro to add aroma and color, adjusting quantities to taste for a balanced, approachable dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.